My name is Patrick Moore, and I'm a systems engineer working on the Parker Solar Probe mission. I actually have two roles. I'm a systems engineer in the chief engineer's office, and I also am going to be doing the flight commentary on day of launch. Parker Solar Probe is a really exciting mission. Typically the Delta IV Heavy has two stages, and they're both cryogenic stages. For this mission we needed some extra performance, so we added a third stage on there, which is a solid rocket provided by Northrop Grumman. And so that gives the spacecraft the extra boost that it needs to get into interplanetary trajectory. So my job is to make sure that all of the technical design, analysis, test activities that we're doing across both companies, that they're all coming together to support the mission and make sure that we're meeting all of the spacecraft and NASA customer needs. It's been really exciting, but definitely one of the hardest missions I've worked on in my career. On top of my normal job on third stage integration, I also have the pleasure of being the flight commentator for this mission, which I'm really excited about. To have worked on this mission for the last 3 years and then to be able to do the flight commentary for launch is really going to be an honor. Most of the calls that I make are live. I'm looking at data on the screen and I'm just talking about it. So things like when we pass Mach 1 or max Q, those come from the pre-flight analysis. And I think those are more of the fun calls, so I want to make sure that I add those in and that people make sure that they know what's going on and how the rocket's doing. For a Delta IV Heavy flight, there's kind of the typical call-outs that you'll hear for every mission.
Start on the RL-10, and we have ignition on the RL-10.
There's also a lot of unique events that are going to happen in this flight. So when we have the 3 boosters, you're going to see the 2 strap-on boosters separate before the first and second stage separates. You're also going to hear a lot of calls on the third stage for this mission, so that's going to be really unique. So you should listen for things like third stage separation, third stage ignition, third stage burnout. All of that's unique. It's been a long road to get here. I think that it's so much fun that I'm so familiar with this mission especially, and then I get to actually do the flight commentary. I'm very excited.